Welcome to all. We are going to start the real session of Photoshop, how Photoshop is going to work. So, I have a request to all the people and request and suggestion to all the people. You should not do the wrong method, just watch and try something. What you need to do, you watch the full video. I'll not create the video more than 10 minutes. Maximum, I'll stop the video in between 4 to 10 minutes. So once you can watch the concept, after that the resources is available which I was used in the video. It's uploaded in the resource section. Same resource you can download. Then you can practice it properly. So any doubts or clarification, I have given three things. One is my Discord channel, WhatsApp number, one email address. You can contact me on all these areas using the PNG. Don't upload the PSD. PSD is a big size image and it will not send by your mail. So once if I reach to my mail or WhatsApp or Discord, I will reply to you. Okay, so this is the basic thing I want to talk to all the people for the tutorials. Okay, thank you for watching. We'll go to the next video.